Straight Talk, a prepaid wireless provider, typically locks its devices to their network to encourage customer loyalty. As of September 2025, devices are locked upon purchase and require meeting specific criteria to unlock. Unlocking is possible through a formal request process after 12 months of active service with a device that's fully paid off and an account in good standing. While the FCC mandates unlocking for eligible users, Straight Talk enforces these requirements to prevent abuse and device reselling. Note that exceptions for military deployment or international travel may be considered with proper documentation. Straight Talk reports a high approval rate of 95% for eligible unlock requests. To unlock your Straight Talk device, submit an official request through their website or app. You'll need your device's IMEI number and account details. Ensure your account has been active for at least 12 months, is in good standing with no unpaid balances, and the device hasn't been reported lost or stolen. Once submitted, the approval process typically takes 1 to 5 business days. Straight Talk provides a SIM unlock, allowing use on other carriers, but it's not a factory unlock. Be cautious of third-party unlocking services as they aren't endorsed and can void warranties or expose you to scams. Stick to the official Straight Talk unlock process for the safest and most reliable outcome.